Today I'm having a quick look at Mapbox SDK for its ability for tabletop augmented reality. What we have here is the AR tabletop SDK, and I have added the different layers. So I've clicked edit layers and I've added these as they suggest, and then as part of that we also have these various other scripts that are associated with the AR tabletop, such as the AR root we have a camera, we have a map holder, and then a map that sits within it, and then we have a square that we'll see as we look around, and then some sort of event system. I haven't put an object in 3D space yet, but how I imagine it will work is we have the spawn on map, and we have latitude and longitude, a potential size, and a shader. So let me press play. In this example I am literally doing the very basics on a Blender model. So on the Blender model we can see here, if I double click on it, it's the simplest model we can probably get. It's just to illustrate a point as well. We can see that there is a table in Unity. I didn't have to do any kind of resizing or anything. And we have this table that's 1 meter by 2 meters and 10 centimeters tall, and then we have this 10 meters by 8 meters room with 10 centimeters tall, and obviously the floor is underneath, and I will add various shaders etc afterwards. And I've put this in the assets folder, and then what I've done is I've dragged on my table and made sure I've removed the camera, and then we are left with this experience. We have a skybox scene, so I've just added to the default scene, and at the moment I've just dragged a texture on here, so we can see down here we've got the shader. Replace this with the PBR either within Unity, or I'll do it within Blender. I'll see what the best result I can get would be. I assume it will be the PBR within render, but there may be restrictions on doing anything within the VR headsets or AR headsets of any kind. And you can see I've got a very slow panning along the way here. So I look around, you can see the floor, and you can see here's the selected box. You can see it pulsating, looking where I'm looking, and because of the texture, that's why you see the transparency. And that's pretty much the demo for today.